Welcome to Brick Stuff. Today we're going to show you how to make this Lego sweet dispenser. First we're going to take a 6x8 base plate, and onto this I have put 3 2x1 tile pieces. To the back of the tile pieces I'm going to place a 2x2 roof tile. Then I'm simply going to build up around the remaining area. Again, on this next row, we're going to place another 2x2 roof tile piece and build up around again. This time we're going to build another row, but using some green bricks just to add some contrast, and this will simply be built up without any roof tiles, just blocking off the back there. For this next row, we want to build up around here, leaving only a small gap for our sweet to be deposited from. For this, again, we're going to use another roof tile. Building up around the sides and closing off the gap. So as you can see, there is a small 2x1 gap for our sweets to slide down. Our next row prepares for our switch mechanism. So we are just going to build up the sides and the front, leaving a gap for the button. And we'll set that aside. For our switch mechanism, we're going to use one of these sprung Technic pieces and attach it to a 2x1 Technic brick. Then onto this, we're going to take a 5 length Technic piece, and into the third hole, the centre hole, attach our spring. This will create the button. Then onto this, we're going to add a 2x1 and a 5x1 Technic piece. We have attached them using a triple long rod, like this. That secures it together by using 2, and then this attaches to the far end of our button, like so. Then onto the back, again we're going to use 2x1s, and we're going to attach that to the back. And this is the area that our sweets are going to go. Now the size of my sweets is quite small, as you can see. So to reduce the size of the space, I'm just going to add a simple stud. And that is our switch mechanism. This can then be placed on top here, like so. Now underneath we're going to need to create a smooth surface for our switch to slide. So we're just going to move that over to the side and start building up this inner section, which we want to make 2 plates high, and then on top of that some tile pieces. Okay, so we have built up a 2 high plate inside, and then we're just going to top this with some tile pieces. Now what we are going to do is allow an overhang over this area here for our suite to be contained in and then pushed off. So then we'll just finish this layer now. Next, we're going to build up another layer which will hold the switch in place. Like so. And as you can see, when the switch moves, it opens up the area to allow the switch to fall down. Now what we want to do is place 2 roof tile pieces either side, and they will create a funnel for the sweets to fall, also restricting it so only one sweet falls down at a time. So we now want to attach our roof tiles to the next layer so they stay in place. Like so. And then finish building up this layer. Now I'm going to add a 2x2 plate and finish this layer off with tiles. And to finish off, I have taken a 6x8 plate, covered it in some yellow tiles, and that simply clips onto the top to make a lid. Now let's fill it with some sweets. And there we have our Lego sweet dispenser. Thanks for watching.